Okay, so I thought I'd do this quick video because I never buy cheese slices. Alright, so what I do is I get my block cheese like this and I put it on my little slicer. So what I do is I usually put like 10 slices, so here we go. Alright, so the good thing about this too is you can adjust the width of the slices too, so you can have thin slices or thick or whatever you like. So then it's like a little pack of cards. Go like that. Get myself some cling wrap. Because you don't need all that cheese all at once. That's a kilo worth of cheese. So put your little cling wrap down here. Get your cheese slices. Wrap them nice and tight, like so. Go like that. Make it all, get all the air out. Then I'll put that in the freezer, and that can stay fresh for like months. So whenever I've got a little container and I have my cheese slices in there. So when I go low, I just go into the freezer, get myself another pack of 10, put them in there. And the good thing is, 2 of these makes a nice sandwich size. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that one. I thought it was pretty self-explanatory, but I thought I'd show you because I've been doing it for so long. It's self-explanatory to me. But I think a lot of people just get their cheese and they sort of hack into it, make a big mess. But I've come up with this idea and it works really well. So don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.